How are you today? As you know, I love books. I love good stories, and I love sharing them with you. And I have a sweet one today. It's called Why Do Kittens Purr? And it is written by Marion, Dane, Bauer, and the illustrations are by Henry Cole. Have you ever heard a kitten purr? It's a fun sound, isn't it? All right, let's get started. Why do kittens purr? Because they're happy deep inside their fur. Why do puppies pat their paws, raise their rumps, twirl their tails to say, let's play? What makes lions roar? They want more and more and more and more. Can you make a lion sound? Why do spiders spin? To make a plate, to keep their dinner in. Why do rabbits sit like stone? To disappear when you come near. If you see them anyway, they'll run, run, run away. Why do mice squeak? To say, I'm shy, please don't peek. What songs do robins sing in spring? This day is fine, this nest, this tree, this world is mine. Look at the robin eggs in the nest. Why do wolves cry, oh, to say, we're over here, where are you? What makes frogs hop, hop, hop? They just can't stop, stop, stop. And kangaroos, why do they hop too? It's what their mamas taught them to do. So why do bees buzz? Just because. What makes bears sleep so long? The snow tucks them in and the wind sings them a song. Why does the moon peek in your window at night? To say, I'm here, everything's all right. And why does the sun come back when the night is through? To see you, to see you. Oh, and that is the sweet story, Why Do Kittens Purr? Which animal was your favorite one? I kind of liked the bears sleeping in their cave for the winter. Anyways, friends, I hope you're having a great day. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.